This is Future Proof, the show that helps you stay ahead of AI at work. Most professionals are getting this wrong. Today, we fix that. Percent, extra string, the countries with the biggest AI worker shortages, and how to move there. You're likely aware that a significant transformation is underway in the job market. According to the World Economic Forum, up to 85 million jobs could be displaced by 2025 due to automation and AI. That's a staggering number and a specific threat to your career if you aren't paying attention. As many roles change, there are new opportunities emerging, roles in countries that are currently experiencing AI worker shortages. Let's shift our focus. The most obvious career moves are ones many people are discussing: data analysts, AI developers, and machine learning experts. But there's a growing demand for roles many are ignoring. For example, countries like Canada and Germany are actively seeking professionals in AI ethics, regulation, and data governance, fields that are projected to grow as companies grapple with AI implications. In fact, job postings in these niches have surged by 40% in Canada alone this past year. Here's what this means for your next paycheck. Salaries for AI ethics professionals range from $70,000 to $120,000. In Germany, it could reach up to $130,000, depending on your experience. These roles aren't just a trend. They're necessities in emerging AI landscapes, aligning technological advancement with societal needs. The hidden opportunity is understanding why these roles are thriving. As AI becomes integrated into all sectors, industry, healthcare, and finance, companies need specialists who can navigate the complexities of compliance and ethics. Those who can bridge the gap between technology and regulatory standards will be in high demand. This is where most people get it wrong. They focus on immediate technical skills without considering the broader implications of AI's integration into society. Realistically, if you're considering a career change, these roles often require different skills than what's traditionally taught in tech programs. Courses in ethics, law, or even sociology can be remarkably beneficial. Many seekers overlook these interdisciplinary fields, mistakenly believing AI solely needs developers and engineers. But the reality is, as companies expand their AI capabilities, they also need individuals who understand the risks and societal impacts of these technologies. Take a moment to think about your own skills. If you're a recent graduate or even a mid-career professional, assess how you can pivot. Consider certifications in AI ethics or regulation. Now is the time to enhance your resume with unique qualifications that will appeal to these hiring companies that need you. If you only remember one thing from this, geographical mobility is key. Countries actively seeking AI qualifications often have immigration pathways that favor tech talent, which can provide you a smoother relocation process. For example, Canada has an express entry system that allows applicants with skills in AI governance to enter more easily. As you explore relocation options, think about the lifestyle factors too. Countries like Canada and Germany offer a high quality of life, solid labor protections, and a culture that embraces innovation. You may find that your career isn't the only thing improving. Your quality of life could also increase. In summary, while certain roles may seem in demand, the hidden winners are in AI ethics and regulation. This niche not only fills the immediate market need, but ensures that technology aligns with societal standards. To act on this, look for specific resources today. Research and enroll in online courses that focus on the impacts and regulatory aspects of AI. Connect with professionals in these areas through LinkedIn, and attend virtual events focusing on AI governance. As a mental model, consider AI integration as a double-edged sword. The value lies not just in technical prowess, but also in ethical foresight. In this rapidly evolving space, those who position themselves at the intersection of tech and ethics will lead tomorrow's workforce, the thing nobody in HR will tell you. Understanding technological implications gives you a competitive advantage. Embrace it, and adapt by upskilling in these overlooked areas. Make yourself irreplaceable. The future workforce won't just be about who can code. It will be about who can navigate the ethical landscape of technology. Now is the time to position yourself as part of the solution. That wraps up Future Proof. One small ask. If this was useful, hit follow. See you next time.